Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you enjoyed today's content, please click like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Please share the video to your friends and family if you think this is something they would be interested in. Today, we are going to learn how to use articles correctly. Many English learners get confused when they have to use an article. However, articles are important because without them, your sentences will sound awkward and grammatically incorrect. I'm going to give you some simple rules to follow and also some examples. So, let's begin. A or a and an are used before a singular noun. They mean only one. In the example, Bill has a meeting tonight, meeting is a noun. So we put a or a right before the noun. In the second example, Jerry found an iguana. An iguana is an animal, so it is a noun. Therefore, if Jerry found one iguana, then it's just an iguana. Things are a little different if the noun is modified by an adjective, because if this is the case, then the article is in front of the adjective and not the noun. In the first example, they gave us a warm welcome. Warm is an adjective to describe the noun welcome. Do not put a between warm and welcome because that will sound really strange. They gave us warm a welcome. This is not correct. You have to put a before the adjective. In the second example, it's the same thing. The company hired an experienced manager. So the noun here is manager, and just before manager you have the adjective to describe what kind of manager that person is. So this is an experienced manager. So how do we know whether we're going to use a or an as our article? A is used in front of a word that starts with a consonant or consonant sound. In the first example, I thought I saw a ghost. G is a consonant, and that is our noun. So just before the noun, we need to put a or a. I thought I saw a ghost. In the second example, Justin works at a large arena. Large starts with the letter L is an adjective, and arena, which starts with an A, is our noun. So even if our noun starts with the letter A, we have to put our article just before the adjective. So, a large arena. For an, we need to use them before a vowel or a vowel sound. In the first example, an item was lost during transport. Item is a noun and it starts with a vowel which is I. So, an item. In the second example, we had an amazing time at the park. So our adjective, which starts with a, is amazing, and then our noun starts with the letter T, which is time. So we need to put an just before the adjective. So, an amazing time. Words that begin with the letter U and the letter H are pronounced differently sometimes. For words that begin with the letter U, an is used if the U is a vowel sound, meaning that the pronunciation is a. Like an umbrella, an uncle, or an unbelievable situation. A is used if the U is a consonant sound, meaning that the pronunciation is U, like a university, a unit, a united front. Words that begin in H, though, can be either silent or pronounced. An is used if the H is silent. An hour, an honor, an honest student. A is used if the H is pronounced, like a hotel, a holiday, a hot pizza. The last article that we're going to learn is the article the. So when do we know whether we're going to use a or an or the? The is used in front of nouns that are specific, or when the speaker and the listener are talking about the same person or thing. For example, Sarah is going to buy a car. A car means one car, but it is not specific, nor is it mentioned. It can also mean that it is not important, or we don't know the brand of car that Sarah is going to buy. In contrast, if we take a look at the example, Sarah is going to buy the car means one car. The speaker and the listener both know which specific car Sarah is going to buy. They probably talked about this beforehand, so now both the speaker and the listener know exactly which car Sarah is going to purchase. The can also be used for plural nouns. So using the same example, Sarah is going to buy the cars. The cars mean more than one car. Again, the speaker and the listener both know which specific cars Sarah is going to buy. Another use of the is what we call the second mention. In the example, we went to a party last night. Our company celebrated its 7th year anniversary. All the employees attended the party. So we went to a party. This means one party that is not specific, and this is what we call the first mention of the noun party. However, in the second sentence, you will know that this specific party is talking about the celebration of the anniversary of the company. In the third sentence, we can already use the party because it was already mentioned before which exact party they are talking about. I know that this is confusing for some people, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, keep practicing, and I'll see you on the next video.